Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today's video on how to draw a molar tooth is relatively straightforward. We won't even need a pencil guideline, so let's jump straight in. We start with the outline of the crown, meaning the top part of the tooth. We then move on to the roots. In this case, our back molar has 3 roots, but depending on the perspective, you may only see 2. We go over the outline again in a thicker black pen to make sure it looks nice and bold. Although the tooth is white and smooth, there are indentations and shadings we'll need to give it for its proper texture. Continue shading the front parts of the tooth to give it a dynamic appearance. We can see the top of the tooth here, so we can add this section to make it look more three-dimensional. Finish off with some final shading. You can use cross-hatching if you know how to do it. And here is our final molar drawing. If you have any requests for anatomy drawings, please feel free to comment below with your suggestion, and we'll see you next time.